All right, we got another segment called Pro Tips. And Pro Tips is, hey, what's a piece of advice you got for somebody trying to get into this business?
I think, this is where I've had a lot of people contact me, friends, and you, as you know, social media is blowing up this industry. I mean, I can't tell you how many people send me this stuff off TikTok and Instagram about how laundromats are the number one rated, safe business or number one money maker. These businesses that people never thought of. And I kind of, you kind of, people looked at you funny when you were talking about buying one, and now they're like all over social media
Everywhere,
and people,
yeah.
and it's helped the industry a lot, but at the same time, it's made it difficult to find new ones. But I think if you go and look for these resources like you've got this podcast. I've turned so many people onto this podcast because I've learned so much stuff that I have to stop watching it because I can't implement it all. My brain can't process it all. It was just like, this stuff is awesome. I mean, and it really gets you motivated and really makes you feel excited about the business. So if you're thinking about getting into it, I mean, no need to even say that at this point, because if you're hearing me say this, you're already watching your podcast. But it's a great resource. That and the Facebook groups, there's a couple of them that are really, really good. If you get on there and you be active and be respectful and professional, I think people treat you really, really well. And a lot of great feedback on those.